Hello everyone, my name is Bagus Mahaaditya. Today I will presenting about metallurgy, especially in stainless steel. For the reference, I use book Metallurgy for the non-metallurgists, second edition, edited by Arthur C. Reardon. And for the content, the first content is the history of stainless steel, the second is modern alloy, the third is authentic stainless steel. Okay, there's specially nine content, and so let's begin the presentation. Okay, the first one is the history of stainless steel. The alloy collective known today as a stainless steel. Stainless steel were developed between the 1904 and 1912 by a number of researchers in living in France, Germany, the United Kingdom, and the United States. They were all unknown to each other. Highness opted for the patent of an Martinistic stainless steel alloy, while the engineer named Benno Strauss and his friend Eduard Maurer in Germany is successfully patent on austenitic stainless steel. In the same era in United States, Christian Dutchsizen and Frederick Beckett were developed a ferritic stainless steel alloy. Okay, go next. Modern alloy. Many new stainless steel compositions have been invented and commercialized over the years since the initial discovery of those alloy were made. One of the reasons for the popularity of stainless steel, in addition to their corrosion-resistant properties, is their versatility in processing and application. Powder metallurgy stainless steel. The citation for the PM product or powder metallurgy product have been established by the Metal Powder Industry Federation, or we call it MPIF, composition from which the vast majority of the other grades might divide. Okay, here's the picture about the austenitic 304 stainless steel grade. It contains the basic chemical. You can pause the video and take a screenshot if you want. Okay, we go next. Okay, the next is austenitic stainless steel. Austenitic stainless steel alloy are among the most common grade of stainless steel. They are classified with IC200 or the 300 series. This citation, the 300 series grade are chromium nickel alloy, and the 200 series represented of the composition in which manganese and nitrogen replace of some nickel. Okay, we go next. Ferritic stainless steel. Ferritic stainless steel are relatively low carbon iron chromium that alloy classified with ASI 400 series designation. They are generally grouped into a low. The low is between the 10.5 to the 12%, and medium is between the 16 to the 19%, and high is greater than 25%. They are generally not alloyed with either nickel or nitrogen. The ferritic stainless steel have my relatively poor high temperature. Okay, we go next. The next is duplex stainless steel. Duplex stainless steel alloy consists of two pieces at room temperature, austenite and ferrite. The duplex stainless steel can generally be regarded to the chromium molybdenum and ferritic stainless steel with sufficient nickel, or use an austenite stabilizer to create a balance of ferrite and austenite at the temperature. This alloy possesses the characteristic of both ferrite and austenitic grade. Their corrosion resistance is similar to their austenitic counterparts, but their stress corrosion resistance The tensile strength and the yield strength are generally superior to the that of the austenitic grade. Okay, this picture right here is an example of a Rogue 2205 duplex stainless steel microstructure. Very dark, austenite-like. We go to the next slide. The next slide is the martenitic stainless steel. Martenitic stainless steel alloy are Fa, Cr, and C alloy that ferromagnetic, and unlike the other grade of stainless steel, they can be hardened through the heat metal in the same manner as the non-stainless steel carbon. And low alloy steel, in generally, martenic stainless steel can have be very high hardenability depending on the carbon content of the individual grade. These stainless steel are used in applications requiring the good tensile strength, grip, and fatigue properties, in combination with moderate corrosion resistance, good wear resistance, and heat resistance up to the approximately uh, 6 650 degrees Celsius. Okay, we go to the next slide. The heat treatment of martensitic stainless steel. Because the thermal conductivity of the stainless steel is characteristically lower than the carbon and alloy steel, a thermal gradient can induce thermal stress during the rapid heat or quenching, which may result in distortion, warping, or cracking in some component. In order to minimize this type of problem, preheating is normally recommended. Okay, preheating. Parts that should be preheated prior to the annealing of hardening operation include the part of heavy or thick section, part of containing several geometric chains, part with both thick and thin section, part with sharp corner and the ray and crown angle, part with heavily ground part machine that part with the heavy deep cuts, cold format of the strengthening part, and the last one is previous hardened part that are slate to the reheat treatment. Normal preheating temperature is for the magnetic stainless steel alloy in range of 760 to the 790 degrees Celsius, and heating is continued until the portion of the each part have reached the aim temperature. Okay, we go to the next slide. The precipitation hardening stainless steel. Work their precipitation hardening or PH stainless steel alloy are designed to the IC600 series and also by no standard proprietary composition. However, the UNS designation and the proprietary of names these alloy are often used with greater frequency than the ISE designation. There, there are two types of pH or perception hardening stainless steel. The first one is semi-austenitic and number two is marstenic stick. Marstensitic, sorry. Okay, I will explain about the semi-austenic pH stainless steel. Semi-austenic pH stainless steel are the essentially austenic the solution annealed condition. After the fabrication operation are complete, they can be transformed into the marstenic structure through the austenitic condition heat treatment that convert the austenite to the martensite. Martensite, sorry. Martensite, the number two is the martensite pH stainless steel. Martensite pH stainless steel are the more popular in commercial grade because of their relatively high hardness in the solution that under condition the marstenic grade are used principally in the form of bed, bar, root, wire, and the high forkins. Okay, we go next slide. Okay, there is a table of list the chemical composition of the more common pH stands. You can take the screenshot if you want, and let's go to the next slide. Okay, the next slide is the cast stainless steel. In general, the cast and work stainless steel possess two equivalent resistance to corrosive media, and they are frequently used in conduction with each other. Sorry. Important difference do they exist, however, between some cast stainless steel and their work counterparts. Stainless steel casting are usually classified as the corrosion-resistant casting which are used in the aqueous environment below the 650 degrees Celsius or in 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. Of the heat resistant casting that's which are the suitable for the surface temperature above the 650 degrees Celsius or in 1200 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, we go next slide. Okay, powder metallurgy stainless steel. Three out of the families of stainless steel, namely austenitic, ferritic, and marstenistic. They are eminently suitable for the manufacture via conventional PM processing or conventional powder metallurgy processing. The marstenistic grade are used for wear resistant, while alloy from the ferritic and austenitic families represent to the bulk of PM stainless steel grain. Okay. Uh, this picture is the standard PM stainless steel are designation. In addition to the standard PM stainless steel grade, a number of non-standard grade or custom and purity alloy are in the whispered used to the PM industry. Okay, we go to next slide. Okay, this is the last slide. Thank you for watching my video. And if you like the video or presentation, you can give a like or subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you in the next presentation. Bye bye.